It's that time again. We're heading over to Dollar Tree and we're doing a shop with me. I'm gonna show you everything new that I have found. Basically everything, which means all the fun kid things so you can stock up for the summer with things to do with your family. Hey you guys, it's Christina from the Purple Alphabet. We're heading over to Dollar Tree. We're doing a shop with me. We're looking for the kid things. We're gonna stock up for all the summer fun. I've already done one Dollar Tree shop with me with a lot of summer things, so I'm gonna put that up in the corner and down in the description box so you can go check that out after you watch this video. So let's head over to Dollar Tree because there is a lot to show you in this one. This Dollar Tree is a combination of 4 different stores. I wanted to make sure I found everything I could that was new. We're gonna start off in the outdoor activities. I was so happy to see these badminton rackets. They weren't there before, but I did see the birdies. So you can get a whole set for $3 if you get 2 rackets and 1 package of birdies. I think this is a great summertime activity. They also had some new lawn games. We had the horseshoe ring toss. I have not tried this on Instagram. You guys said it was just okay. And then they had this dart toss game too, so be on the lookout of those if you want something new to try. I did see some new bouncy balls. These are a great find and I think they come in all the rainbow colors. My store had a couple of boxes of them, so I'm sure you can get a whole set if you wanted to do rainbow colors for some color matching outside. Also new are these butterfly nets. I've never used one before. There's not a lot of butterflies where I live, but they do have them in several different colors, and they've brought back the chalk. You guys, these actually work really well. They're chalk holders and they come in the 3-pack or the single pack. Or you can find this one from Play School, which is a name brand. It's the same thing. It has a little handle and it holds 3 pieces of chalk on it. We did find some new craft kits. Some of these are newer than others. They are the Crayola craft kits and they are mobile wood paint your own sets, and they had several different styles, so make sure to look behind them to see all the selection because they're kind of hidden sometimes behind there. This was a great find. It's a little broom and dustpan set, so if you have a little one who wants to help around the house, this would be perfect. I've seen 2 colors in this one. And then this Da Vinci is a name brand Play-Doh item, which I haven't tried before, and I might have to put this in a Dollar Tree toy test. Lots of Trolls figurines in all the stores that I went to. This store had the most, and they had every single character. These are great to tuck away for stocking stuffers later this year, or to give out as summer reading prizes if you're doing a little reading game at home. I also saw a lot of art craft kits. This one's for a hanging decoration where you tie on all the jewels and you string them. This one's for a button bag craft kit where I guess you put the buttons directly on the bag. We have the gem art kits, which is just like diamond painting. I really want to try that one. And this pom-pom tassel kit. These all look to be for 6 years of age and older. Then they had some of the usual ones, the glitter art kits with the sand. This is a faux stained glass kit, which looked pretty interesting to try out too. Maybe I need to pick up one of those for a Dollar Tree toy test. And then this one was kind of cool. It's to make your own squishy. I'm not 100% convinced that this is going to work because usually they do pop. So if you've tried this, please let me know down below. I'm very curious to know if it actually works. Some new wood shop items too. These wood shop kits are so nice, but now they have some in some wind chimes and several different styles too. They're always a really great quality on those. And if you want to do some number practice, some addition practice, check out this little dart set. It has the Velcro balls and it sticks right onto the chart. We have some new puzzles for all of the preschoolers and toddlers. This one is the construction and vehicle one. We have one with the letters of the alphabet, and then there was also one too for farm animals if you prefer that. And way down below I did find one that was dogs and cats. These are great basic puzzles to have, and at only $1 they're quite a bargain. We've seen these animal like tubes before at Dollar Tree, but now I find a couple of different styles. I see some in horses and some in farm animals. I do think these are pretty good dupes for the Safari LTD tubes, but hands down Safari LTD tubes are my favorite because they're really realistic. Plus I have a coupon code I'll leave down below in the description box. Some more new finds is this spinning light up top, which is a great sensory item. It comes in 2 different colors, and then here's a couple more of those animal tubes, the dinosaur one and then the wild animal one. You can do some really great activities if you choose to get these, and a lot come in one package. These are new. They're basically giant coloring books. They're called coloring mats. It's a whole pad of paper with activities on each different sheet, and looks like they have a couple different styles in them, as they do a whole bunch of summer coloring books too, so be on the lookout for those. And then we have this package of role-playing dice, but you don't need it for role-playing. This would be great for some math activity games. I've done a video about math games, and this would be amazing for it, and it's a really great price. If you look in the stationery section, you're going to find this roll of craft paper. This would be great to do some basic activities on. In fact, if you'd like to see a video on the things that you can do with this craft paper roll, let me know down below and I will make that video. In the teaching section, great wall map here for the United States. You guys said you want a video on the United States activities. I am working on that for you, so that's coming soon, but this is one item that you probably will want if you're going to be working on United States activities. And a brand new item here too in the learning section. This is a Color Forms Addition learning board with a dry erase marker with numbers. So they're having you add the numbers and put the numbers on there. And then on the back side, there's even more activities with a number line and some greater than, less than. Here's some fraction posters, which would be really good for learning fractions. And then also life cycle educational posters too. Another great find. These are brand new. I've never seen these before. They are pencil cup holders, and they are the Jot brand, and they come in 3 different colors, which only means that back to school is coming really, really soon. I really like these award sticker systems. They come with the stickers and the little checkoffs here. This one is a space theme. These are great for summer reading. And then lo and behold, I turned the corner and I found that they are getting ready for back to school. It's almost that time, and I promise you I'm going to show you all the back to school stuff, so make sure you subscribe so you don't miss out on any of that. But I'm going to show you a little preview of some of the things that I saw, including these little stationery pouches. Each one had a different theme and about 3 or 4 different items in the set. Looks like little sticky notes, a little notepad. Look at that little paintbrush there, that's really cute, and a little pen and its own little pencil pouch. This would be a great end of year school gift for your child's friends. And then check out the pencil pouches. This is getting me excited. There are some really, really cute styles in the pencil pouches this year. Here are the file folders that kind of match those pencil pouches in the different colors. These are a lot of fun too, and you're going to see a lot of these in the upcoming weeks when they get the new supplies out. This is really cool. It's a dry erase weekly planner, so it has the days of the week on one side and it's dry erase, so you can write on it over and over again. And then we had some new stationery supplies. Here's some pens, glitter markers. They come in 2 to pack, and they had a couple different colors in those, so you can get a full set of colors if you wanted to. Just make sure to look behind some of them to make sure that you've seen all of the colors. Then we had this metallic marker set. Once again, this is 2 to a pack, and it writes on black paper, and I found 2 different colors in this set as well. I showed you guys this one over on Instagram. They're the glue sticks with little animal toppers on it, a little chick here, and we also have the frog. These come 2 to a pack, and I'm not quite sure how good they work, so if you tried them, let me know. They brought the spill-proof paint cups back. They had these a long time ago, where there's a little hole in the top of the jar that helps prevent paint spills. So if you have a toddler, this would be amazing for them. Pair them with the big fat brushes for painting, and this is a great item to have on hand. And another great item to have on hand, look, they have the giant pom-poms. This is a brand new item to the craft section. If you're doing any kind of sensory activity, I highly recommend getting some of these. Also new, they have some tie-dye items. So if you wanted to do a bandana in a tie-dye form, they sell the cloths to make your own tie-dye bandana now. And then another surprise to see were the glitter packs. These larger 3 packs of glitter usually come in the Christmas colors, but I was happy to see they now have the pink, blue, and brown in addition to those Christmas colors. This is a bargain. Checking out some of the home supplies, they have a whole luau section, a tropical section right now, and they have some really cute finds that I wanted to show you really quick. And these are great for a little party or a little theme or just some summer fun. They got some cute table scatter here, and they have some glitter confetti for table scatter, and lots of straws with different things that are on them, all in that tropical kind of theme. These were kind of fun. They are little banks, so on the top there's a slot to stash away some money. We have a mermaid fund, we have a treat yourself, and a be my own boss fund. Kind of fun gifts to have or to use for yourself if you want to save up some money and visually see it when it falls down into it. There's this great tray which would be great for activities. Look out for that one if you're in the need for a new tray. And then also in the party section, have you been back there recently? There are some really cute party supplies. I'm really liking these straws. They come with little tags that you can put on them for planning. This one has unicorns on it. And they also have the regular straws too in different colors. These are all the paper straws. Some really fun gold banners here for decorating. And then they had some party caution tape also in some regular party themes. Everyone on Instagram's been talking about these. These are the balloon clips, and they also have the balloon glue, and then they have the balloon arch. So if you're into decorating with balloons, these would be fabulous to try out, and I heard they work. They even have the ones that you can stick into your yard. They come 4 to a pack. You put the balloon on top of it and stick the stick inside your grass to stand it up. Now the balloons, they have a ton of balloons, but these are amazing. They're actually clear balloons or kind of translucent balloons, and inside there's some confetti. They're super cute. That's a good pack to get. They come 6 to a pack. And also look out for some really fun birthday banners. Look at this little dinosaur one. It's just absolutely cute, and it's made out of felt. We also have one in the mermaid theme, and then here's one in the dinosaurs too, and unicorn. And if you haven't tried the inflatable decor, look out for these little happy birthday signs. They come in gold and silver, and they are just really cute, as are all of these numbers. So if you have a special birthday coming up, you can get one of these foil balloons for the right age that you need. Very popular right now. Let's head over to the home goods. These laundry baskets, I've seen them at all the Dollar Trees. They're very popular, great for storing things, outdoor toys, that sort of thing, and they come in different colors, so these are a hit. And then also, look how cute these little reusable tote bags are. They have little stars on them, and they come in a couple of different colors. I just thought those were really fun. These were kind of fun. They are magnets, and they're double-sided. Each one says a different thing on them, but this one's for your dishes, this one's for I clean today, or I'll clean tomorrow. There's just kind of a fun little magnet to hang up on your refrigerator. If you like Dollar Tree videos and shop with me, I'm gonna put up on the screen my last Dollar Tree haul. It was pretty big. I haven't had a big haul like this in a long time. So go over and check that out after you finish watching this video. You guys click subscribe to see more videos like this, and give me a thumbs up to show your love.